Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video we will create API with Node.js and Express.js. For that you have Node.js must be installed. If you don't have it installed, go to Node.js org website and download it. So first thing, we will create a new directory for our application. Let's call it API app. Then we will go to this directory and we will run command npm init to create JSON package JSON file. Oops, it should be npm init. So most things we accept as default. Description, except of entry point, we will specify our app entry point. We'll create app.js. All others will be default. So now we can open so we have package.json created. So next thing, we need to create new file, app.js. It will be our entry point and we will create a server. So let's create server. We need get, oh, of course I forgot one more thing. We need to install Express. npm install Express, save. Command npm install Express. So give it a couple of seconds, it will install Express, and now we can grab it, Express model. So then we'll create app variable, and what we specify port for our application. And we will start this port, listen on this port, and start application on this port. And add to console some verbiage saying this up. On port port, ways up listening on port, and let's put here our port. Save it and let's run this command, run node app.js. What's wrong with me? Oops, don't need all this, just Node.js. So then go to localhost on port 3000 and we have our kind of app running. Don't really have there anything, but let's kill it now. And now we'll create another file for routes. So in here we will be creating routes. Need grab express first. Then we will use express router class to create modular application. So for that we will need create variable router and get this router class. Next we will load middleware with router use. Route middleware in Express is a way to do something before we process a request. So we do router use to pass request response next. And then you basically can do here something with this, maybe do some analytics or logging, whatever. Like for now we just let's do add to our console the request methods and, for example, request URL. So after that, after this is completed, we need to call next in order to call the next router method. Otherwise it will just stop on the first part. So now we will define our routes, but first, as we don't have, in reality you will be using some kind of database to get in data, but now for now we'll just define some variable that will hold some data for us for now, and We'll be doing some workouts. Some APIs for getting workout data, for updating workout data and posting new workouts. So let's create just some workouts here. Let's do 2. So the workout will have ID, it will have type, it will have duration, let's do minutes, and it will have date. Let's just copy it. Modify will be a different ID. Run 30 minutes and modify date. So now let's create different routes. Let's do get all workouts. So router get, we specifying the method get, then we will specify route itself, workouts, and then it will have request and response. So this was pass and parameters, request response, and it will return response status 200 for OK, and we'll send data. So we'll send message that says get workouts call succeeded, and then we will send workouts. This is just our workouts from this variable we defined earlier. So, and that's it for this route. Before we write others, let's go to our app.js. Oh, one more thing, we need to export this module exports, and that we can use it in our application. So now we can go to our JS and use routes require specify our routes JS file here. And then we can load the router module in our app use. So, and we can modify path a bit and add their API to our path for all routes. And using routes here. So let's save this and start our application. Let's go to Postman, and as our application is running localhost port 3000, then /API that we specified pass here, and then we will have get APIs or get workouts /workouts. So it's what we're doing here. /workouts, we specify get and sending request. And here you go, we got our workouts. We had message get workouts call succeeded and 2 workouts. So now let's stop and create another routes for getting a single workout, for posting workouts, for deleting workouts, and for modifying workouts. Okay. Oops. Get specific workout by ID. So we need router get the same as before, but here our path will be workouts, and then we specify parameter in our path also. Request response. And first we'll have here a parameter passed, also ID. So by this ID we can find workout, get our workouts, and you'll find check for each workout in our workouts and check ID of each workout. If it matches request parameters ID, so we'll find the workout. So if you found something, if workout, first let's do if we didn't find anything that matches ID, then we will return in our response status 400 for bad request and then we will send message saying workout is not found. For ID, and we'll use our ID from request parameters. So now we'll specify what will be response if we found workout. In this case, we will return in response status 200 for K and sending, we'll send message here, message send get workout for ID, specify ID from request params ID, say succeeded, and we'll send the workout that we got. Workout. Let's now create our post workout. For this, we also need to create post workout. So route to a post, specify a method, then pass workout, request response passing, so and checking request. Since this is post, now we will have request body instead of parameters. ID and return. So if we don't have ID specified in our request body, then we return status 400 for batch request, and we'll send message saying ID is required. Otherwise, we'll push this new workout to our workouts. send back status 200 for OK, and we'll send success message. Saying that post workout goal succeeded. So also for using JSON in our post to parse it from body, to parse body, we need to include body parser. So, it's in our app.js. In app.js we will include body parser, and then we will do app use. Body parser JSON. And one more line, app use from body parser URL encoded. Extended will need set to true. Now we can test our two new routes. So for if you specify ID and send get, so it's not bound. What did we do wrong? Let's go back and check. Count quest params. Let's grab this and restart. And go back. Here we go. Now it works. So we got ID. Now let's test our post. So let's see what's here. So we'll call API workout with post, and in body we will pass new workout and send. It says post workout goal succeeded, and now if we go back and get our workouts, we expect to see it. And do, the new workout is here. So let's now create 2 more routes for update workout. Put workout. So this will be router put workout pass, same pattern, request response, to check, just copy this part from post, do the same check for ID. If ID is not specified, we'll return stats 400 and the message that ID is required. Otherwise we will we'll go to workouts and find this workout by ID. So we'll look for index in our workouts. So using find index. So for each workout, we'll check if this workout ID equals our request body ID. So then we'll replace in our workouts this index, replace with request body with new workout, and we'll return status 200 for OK, and we'll send message saying put workout call for ID from request body succeeded. And let's, before we test it, also create for delete route for delete workout, delete specific workout by ID. So I just copy for just modify it. So router delete, then we'll have workout, and here as parameter we will have ID in path. So And here also we can have check for ID, but for just to do it quicker we'll ignore it for now. So we'll try to find it, this workout. Just need to use request parameters instead of body, as we pass an ID in params. And then we'll do we'll remove it from workouts using splice at the index we found and remove one record. So then we will return status 200, send instant message saying delete workout call for ID. Need just change to params. Succeeded. And save it and go and start our application and go to Postman. So let's go get workouts. We have two workouts. Let's modify. We'll modify. Let's do second to be run. Let's change date and change duration for 50. So we had 30 before and it was 10th, now it will be 50 and 9th. So put API workout. Apparently we have some mistake. In our put, let's go check it. So workout, request response, status and found index workouts, status. So that's a new start. And let's go try again. This time it worked, and now let's get all our workouts. And we have new information for second workout, 50 minutes. Nice. Let's delete workout. Let's delete the first one. I think I have the same problem here. Let's delete. Let's go check get all workouts, and we have only one left with ID 2. With ID 1 was removed. So this way we have different routes for different methods. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video. Leave me comments, like and subscribe. Bye.